Hi, welcome to the Citizens Academy. My name is Frederick Tobin and I'm the founder and CEO of Restore Citizenship. For a long time, I desired to see an educational platform where kingdom-minded people could both learn and teach the profound and eternal truths of the kingdom, the ecclesia, and citizenship. I also wanted to provide a platform for kingdom citizens to share their unique passion, gifts, and talents with the wider body of Christ. So now we've launched the platform, I'm going to share some of the great things you can expect when you join as a student or a teacher. At the Citizens Academy, it is our mission to help Christians transition from denominational membership to kingdom citizenship. So what does that mean? It means that we're a non-denominational organization. We want to see you develop as a citizen of the kingdom rather than a member of a denomination. When you enroll onto the Citizens Academy, you can expect courses which are Christocentric, kingdom-centric, and wealth-centric. And at the Citizens Academy, we offer 3 types of educational experiences. First, short classes. Short classes are free bite-sized lessons designed to educate and inspire you. Second are courses. Courses are a series of lessons offering a deep dive into specific subjects which will inform, challenge, and help you to grow. Third are masterclasses. Masterclasses are a way for students to meet face-to-face with our teachers. These sessions are designed to impart, equip, and empower you on the road to maturity. For the teachers, the Citizens Academy is the perfect place to respond to your calling. Through our website, you can create, publish, and sell unlimited classes, courses, and masterclasses through our easy-to-use course manager. So sign up today and join our global community of students and teachers learning and teaching on the Citizens Academy.